Design and implementation of convolutional neural network for object recognition. So this particular project actually comes under the machine learning and artificial intelligence domain. So the algorithm that we are going to make use of in this particular project is convolutional neural network. So this is the name of the algorithm. So in short, we are going to call it as CNN algorithm. Okay, so the platform where our project will be running on will be live cloud. So on Amazon Web Service or Microsoft Azure or any other cloud service provider you need. So that means whatever solution we are going to implement, we are going to make it available over live cloud. So anybody across the world can readily use our project. Okay, this is one of the major advantage of your project. And for implementing this project, we will be requiring Python programming language. Python is required for implementing this machine learning algorithm. But for making that solution available over the live cloud, so I will make use of J2EE, Java and the web part. Okay, so just understand this way. Python is for developing the machine learning algorithm and Java and web is for making this solution available on live cloud. Okay, and we will be referring to one of the latest IEEE paper as the base reference for this project. But we are going to implement the solution in our own way so that our solution also can be published as a new IEEE paper. Okay, so what is that we are actually going to do in this particular project is, so we are going to implement an object recognition tool. Okay, so that means given a picture, the input for this project will be an image, any image, and we will identify which image is that. In simple words, if I say, if you take a picture of elephant and input that image to our project, it will tell that it's an elephant. Okay, if you input an image of cat, our project will tell that it's an image of cat. Okay, so but where exactly the project will be used, so this project is especially useful in the medical industries where you can send, input the picture of any cells, DNA or some patterns over there, and our project will tell what exactly it is. So the doctors can figure out whether it is a cancerous cell or if any disease associated with that, something like that. And also this project will be especially useful in the satellite images. So NASA or ISRO will take capture one of the image from the satellite, and that image when inputted to this project, it will tell exactly what it is, whether it is an asteroid or whether it is another spaceship or what exactly it is, so that accordingly the actions can be taken. And also another advantage of this project is the attendance system. Okay, so in the smart colleges, so what actually the classroom will do is, so whenever the students enter the classroom and be seated on their benches, so there will be a camera in each of the classroom which will take the picture of the entire classroom. And then when you give that entire image as an input to this project, so this project will tell which all students were present in that image and which all students were absent. Okay, so based on that the attendance can be marked automatically. Okay, so these are the various applications of this project and it's going to be very useful for the current world. Okay, so that's one thing we are going to implement, and the second thing we are going to implement will be we are going to make this project available to public. Okay, because we are implementing this project on live cloud, right? Anyone across the world can reuse our project. Okay, and for implementing this project we will be requiring around 3,500 lines of code. Okay, so if you have any other specific questions on this project, please feel free to contact me on this number or send me an email to this ID. Thank you so much.